What is up, guys? Welcome to today's market recap. Today I had a doctor's appointment, so I really wasn't able to trade. And there was a really nice setup though. Um, and I'll go over it. Going into the day, I did have more of a bullish bias. We were displacing higher, and I was looking to take longs towards this on-field daily gap on NQ, and also the high. We had this low here, which I wanted to see us be the soup if we're gonna be bullish. What do? We just fucking run through it. So I turned bearish. We ended up getting this 4-hour inverse as well on CISD. So I was more bearish at that point, and I was looking to take continuation shorts. I was only able to trade the first 30 minutes of the session on my computer, and then I had to trade on my phone until and I wasn't able to trade the whole thing because of the doctor's appointment. But there, I did see before getting off this 1 minute inverse here. I think it's really fucking bad. First of all, it's right before 10 a.m. Targets is just this 1 minute swing high on failed 5 minute fair value gap, and you're also not really getting a super action out of this 1 hour fair value gap. Like the line is hourly fair value gap right here, and the inverse is here. You would want to see something like this, but you're getting it here, so I don't think it's that good, honestly. And also, I didn't realize at the time, but we did make 30 like equal lows with this 30-minute fair value gap. So that's our in key level, which an unequal low with a key level is really fucking important, and you don't want to fade that. I didn't realize it until later though, and I was looking to take continuation shorts. Now when I saw, okay, we ended up topping this 15-minute fair value gap, and we ended up getting this 3-minute inverse. At this time, I was trading on my phone and in the car, and I was going to take this 3-minute inverse. The close, I honestly did really like it, even though it's all the way down here. I didn't really care. Just cause I would have much rather see a close like around here, even here, than a close like this. Just cause it's way more displacement. So, and I want to see displacement happen. So I did really like that. Now, and I was going to take it. The only reason that I didn't is because of the SMT that we had. So as you can see, ES ended up sweeping the low here. Once we got the 3-minute inverse. Now, I was in my phone in the car, and I was already conflicting. Should I even take it even though of this empty just because the draw is so lower? Um, and have in mind, I didn't know we had equal lows, but I decided to not trade, like, not take a kind of discretional trade because of the SMT while I was in the car and in my phone. So I just didn't take this. But I think that if I had seen this equal lows and it was like it's fucking cope honestly and it's hindsight. And honestly, I can't really tell, but I feel like I would have been more inclined to take the 3 minute, have like an entry at the CISD for a better RR. I think I would have been more inclined to take it if I had seen the equal lows. Um, so yeah, I mean I don't know. It is what it is. So really unfortunate that I had to go to the doctor, but it is what it is. Nothing I can do about it. And then there was a possible short, another one here. This 1 minute inverse. Um, I wasn't on the charts at this point just because I had my doctor appointment. But this was nice. It wasn't off of a 5 minute. It was from a 4 minute and also 3 minute for value gap. And this was a pretty nice trade as well. I think that discretionally, obviously, like it's not off of a 5 minute, but you're kind of taking it off of this 15 minute as a key level. And then also the same idea as this 3 minute fair value, like 3 minute inverse. You're just getting like more confirmation, I guess, in a way. So yeah, that was pretty nice as well. And then there really wasn't anything else. And yeah, um, it honestly really sucks because this trade was pretty nice, and I was close to taking it, but because of this empty being in my phone in the car, Yeah, I don't know, it was a bit annoying, but it is what it is, nothing I can do about it. And we move on. And yeah, and the reason that fading this is empty is okay because we're in a sell model. The draw is towards what? This previously low and unfilled daily gap, and we also have equal lows. And if we have, let's say, you want to take longs out of here, right? This is a key level, and you want to take longs, and they say this is NQ, and this is yes. If NQ makes equal lows here, and then yes ends up taking out this low, and we have an SMT like this, would you still take this long? You probably wouldn't, bro. Like you wouldn't take it if we get an inverse. Why? Because we have equal lows, right? And you would want to see NQ take that equal lows because it's a pretty high drawn liquidity. So it same goes with this idea of taking shorts. Even though we have an SMT, it's still fine to take it. Why? Because we have equal lows with a key level, and it's not really a sign of reversal. You're not really expecting it to reverse when having these equal lows, and also overall in its whole model. So yeah, I just got a name open higher, so that was pretty nice. So yeah, kind of bummed out about it, but it is what it is. And yeah, we move on. So yeah, that is it for today, and peace out.